830. Solve the following quadratic equations by factoring and using the zero product property, then check your solutions. Alright, so in this first problem, we want to solve x squared minus 10x plus 25. So that means when we use the zero product property, we've got to factor first. So we create our factoring box here, 25. And then we want factors of 25x squared that add up to negative 10x. And so right off the bat, I'm thinking negative 5x and negative 5x. So this is negative 5x, negative 5x. These have 5 in common. These have x in common. These have x in common. And this has 5. 5 times x is negative. X times x is x squared. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is negative, so this is negative. And then negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. So our factors end up being x minus 5 times x minus 5 equals 0. Some of you may have recognized that this was a perfect square. And then we set each one of the factors equal to 0, and since they're the same, we only need to do it once. X minus 5 equals 0. So then x equals 5. And that is our solution. And then to check it, we want to put this on our graph. Let's see, let's turn it on. And so we want y equals, we want to graph it, so then that ends up being x squared minus 10x plus 25, and then we hit graph, and then as you can see it crosses the x-axis at 5. And when we get the perfect squares, notice it only crosses the axis one time, the x-axis one time.